RentRedi is a popular property management software, but before making a purchase, here are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're a landlord managing a handful of properties or just starting out, RentRedi might be a good fit, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons, especially when compared to other property management tools like AppFolio, Buildium, or Tenant Cloud. First thing you should know is that RentRedi focuses heavily on streamlining communication with tenants. The platform allows for direct messaging and the ability to send automated payment reminders, but it doesn't quite offer the same depth as competitors like AppFolio, which provides more robust communication features and a full property management suite. Next thing to keep in mind is RentRedi's pricing structure. While its plans start relatively low, it does charge extra for certain key features like credit and background checks, which can quickly add up. This is different from some competitors, like Tenant Cloud, which offer these features in their base pricing. The third thing is its mobile app. RentRedi offers a well-rated mobile app that lets you manage everything on the go, including payments, maintenance requests, and lease tracking. However, the app is not as feature-rich or as smooth as some of its competitors, like Buildium, which offers a more robust mobile experience for landlords. The fourth thing is that RentRedi integrates well with third-party applications. For example, it connects with QuickBooks and Stripe for accounting and payment processing, which makes it a great choice for landlords looking for flexibility. That said, competitors like AppFolio provide a more seamless all-in-one system for property management without needing too many external integrations. Next thing to note is RentRedi's ease of use. The platform is simple to navigate, with a user-friendly dashboard that's easy to customize. This makes it appealing to first-time landlords who don't want to get bogged down with complicated software. However, some other software platforms, such as Buildium, offer more advanced features that could be a better fit for larger portfolios. The sixth thing you need to consider is RentRedi's tenant and owner portals. RentRedi offers a streamlined portal experience, allowing tenants to pay rent, request maintenance, and review documents. However, competitors like Tenant Cloud provide more options for customization, making their portals a bit more versatile. Next, let's talk about support. RentRedi does offer solid customer service, with email and chat support available. However, it doesn't offer phone support, which can be a downside if you need quicker assistance. Competitors like AppFolio provide 24/7 support through a range of channels, making them a bit more reliable if you're managing multiple properties. Another thing is the payment system. RentRedi offers flexible rent payment options, including ACH and debit credit cards, and the fees are relatively low. But compared to alternatives like Tenant Cloud, RentRedi has fewer customization options for setting up payments and late fees. The ninth thing is RentRedi's tenant screening. While the platform offers essential credit and background checks, these services come with additional fees. Competitors like Buildium, however, include these features in their base plan, which could be more cost-effective if you're screening multiple tenants. Next thing to consider is that RentRedi lacks some advanced reporting features that come standard in other software, like AppFolio. If you're someone who relies heavily on detailed financial and tax reports, RentRedi might feel a little limited in that regard. The 11th thing to note is RentRedi's scalability. It's a great option for landlords with a few properties, but if you're looking to expand your portfolio or manage a larger number of properties, you may find RentRedi a little restrictive in comparison to more robust solutions like Buildium. Finally, the 12th thing you should know is that RentRedi offers a 30-day free trial, which is a great way to test the platform and see if it's right for you. While the platform is an affordable and user-friendly option, some of its limitations may become clear once you start using it for more complex management needs. So, while RentRedi is a solid choice for smaller portfolios and first-time landlords, if you're looking for something that offers more features, better customer support, and advanced functionality, it might not be the best fit. For a more comprehensive solution, check out our recommended platform that you can try for free.